Hey guys, welcome to the Chinese course on TELIC. I'm Yao Songmei. So last time we learned 鸡, qi, xi. Your turn. Today we are learning 3 flat tongue initials and they are zi, ci, si. They are the names as well. And the pronunciation of the names is with a final E, but this E isn't the same as E behind P, for example. But it only follows zi, ci, si. So it's only written as the same letter I. Zi, ci, si are known as dentals. It's also hard for non-native speakers to pronounce these 3 initials, but I will teach you with little secrets. When we pronounce Z, the front part of the tongue tip touches the inner surface of the upper teeth and then immediately parts with it, forming a gap in between. It is pronounced with no strong airflow. Z. It sounds like Z in the English word kid. So, are you ready to try with finals? Let's go. 扎 zi, zi, zu. Very good. Let's try again. 扎 zi, zi, zu. The next one is t. We pronounce it the same way as z, but comes with an obvious airflow. T. It sounds like t in the English word cats. Let's try it with finals. 擦 车 吃 粗. Alright, you are really good. Now again. 擦 车 吃 粗. So we can also put a tissue in front of our mouth and see the difference between pronouncing finals with z and c. You will find that when you pronounce finals with c, the tissue moves. When pronouncing s, the front part of the tongue tip stays away from the inner surface of the upper teeth all alone, leaving a gap for the airflow to get through. S. It sounds like s in the English word snake. Let's try with finals. 沙 se 丝 su. Okay, so this is an easy one. Let's go. 沙 se 丝 su. They are also voiceless consonants. So when we learn to pronounce za, we say z, a, za. But remember, z, ci, si, they are called whole syllable. That means you can't pronounce them as zi, i, or ci, i, or si, i. Now, it's time for you to finish our quiz and see you later.